Guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be a fashion haul video. I purchased some clothes from a site called Shein. It's a clothing site where they sell affordable clothes. I have bought things from Shein before, back in the days when it used to be called Shein site, and I did not have a bad experience with them. So I did get some items again this time just to change my wardrobe because we're already transitioning, leaving the cold behind and moving into spring. So I got mostly of the spring and summer collection from their site. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and give my reviews, and you guys can also tell me what you think about the site. So to start with, I'm going to show you this beautiful pearl beading sweater, twisted sweater that I'm wearing. It's in pink. I love the color. I don't know, I just feel like this coming spring is all about pink for me. Like, I'm so in love with pink a lot this time. So this is how it looks like. I love how it fits me well, and I would say it's true to size. I'm a size small and it fits me really well. So you can wear this in two different ways, whether the twist in the front or the twist at the back. But I would prefer wearing the twist in the front and wear something, a high waist something. It could be a high waist skirt or a high waist jeans, and it could be black, blue, gray, whatever color goes with it. But I would want the twist in the front, and I love these beadings. Like, I just love the way it looks, and for its price I feel it's so pretty, and I love this one. For this one, I'll give Shein a thumbs up. The next item I'm going to show you is this beautiful blouse. It's pink again. Like, I love the color pink. I'm so into pink, I don't know why. And it's also a pearl beading blouse. It has ribbons on the sleeves, which is pretty, but with this one I wouldn't say it was true to size for me. I feel the sleeves were slightly shorter, so I wouldn't say the size was very true. For a size small, I don't think this is right. But anyway, I don't complain much about that because it's not very visible. It's okay, it still fits okay, and I would pair these with anything. It could be some skirt or something. I love this so much, and this just screams spring. Spring should come already. So I love this so much. It's nice. It's a nice chiffon top. The other top I'm going to show you is this one. It's a see-through lace top. It's black and it has this beautiful design on the sleeves, which is pretty. It's a see-through. As for me, I wouldn't put anything inside to cover anything except just the bra. So if you would want, I think you would want to wear something like a cami top or something, I don't know. But with me, I'm comfortable just the bra and just let all the air come in, honey. So this I love, and I'll pair it as well with anything, some pants, you know, or some beautiful skirt, leather skirt. It depends what you have, but with me I would go with some beautiful leather skirts. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. When it comes to sizing, this one was also true to size, which is good for me. It's really good. It was just perfect small size, so I wouldn't complain when it comes to it. At the top that I have is this beautiful grid print t-shirt. So this one is an oversized grid print t-shirt, and it's yeah, it's an oversized. So this one definitely in the summer I would wear it with some bum shorts and tuck in the front and let the back loose, which is really comfortable. Like, the material is not very thick, it's light, which is just perfect for summer. Like, it's not too heavy or too much. It doesn't make you sweat or anything, so which is really good. I love it. The material is very light, and I love the printing as well. So this is how it looks. This is really pretty. The last top I'm going to show you, which I purchased, is this beautiful chiffon open shouldered blouse. This is pretty. I love the gold around the neck and the sleeves, and by the way, it's elastic on the top, so you don't have to worry about fitting in your head. Like, it's really elastic, and also at the bottom it's elastic as well, so it holds in tight. And yeah, I love the openings here, which is really good. When it comes to sizing, the size was just true to the size. It's in a size small as well. I think I got almost all the items in the size small. Yeah. Moving on to the bottoms, I'm going to show you these beautiful black pants I got. They're open wide at the wide leg open pants, something like that. With these ones, they're not the typical ones. These come with some crisscross belts, so you can wear them with the belts, with the crisscross belts, or without, but I would prefer without the belts. And this is a size small. It fits very, very well. It's very true to size, but the material for this one, it's not very rich material. It's really light material, and I wouldn't complain for its price. It's okay, but it's all good to me, and I love it as well. It fits really good. Like, yeah, I can't really complain. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it really much without the straps, without the belts and stuff. So I think I would go with just without the crisscross belts. So I'm going to show you this beautiful skirt that I got. For me, I feel like this skirt is underpriced, for the reason that the material, you guys, feels so rich, and this skirt really just looks rich. For me, I would want to wear it like a high waist skirt with some high thigh boots or a high thigh stockings. But I would just say one thing I didn't like is that the sizing was not true to my size. I'm a size small, like I said, but this one just didn't come in my size, and it's slightly bigger for me, so I'll have to adjust at the waist a little bit to fit to my size. Otherwise, I love it. The material is very thick. It's just a rich material. That's why I say I feel it was underpriced. Like, I feel it would have been more expensive, but anyway, it's Shein. They have very affordable prices, so you expect that. So, but otherwise, the material and the skirt itself, it's very beautiful. It just makes you, this one you would wear like you look so expensive on a budget. Just put in some beautiful polar black sweater, and then wear this with some just nice pairing of shoes and stuff, and you would really look very expensive on a budget. So this one is, yeah, I'm gonna try to adjust this one just to fit my waist. I'm gonna make it a high waist just to fit my waist. I'll have to adjust it just slightly, a little bit small. Moving to the dresses, I have this beautiful black dress. It's a pencil dress. This is the only black pencil dress that I have, which is not too tight on me that I can't even walk. With all my other black pencil dresses, it's like it's so difficult for me to walk. All my pencil skirts are like so hard, I can't even walk properly. I walk like I'm just learning how to walk, with very tiny footsteps and stuff like that. But with this one, it just fits like a glove. It's really perfect on me. Like, it's not too tight, it's not too loose either, which is really just good. I love this, and I love the neckline as well. I love that it comes all the way to the neck here, like covers everything. It's just perfect. I can walk well in it, which is just good for me. The last item I'm going to show you is this beautiful lace dress. Okay, with this one, the only issue I have is that it's not true to my size. It's not really tight on me. I would have preferred it to be tight on me. Otherwise, it's all good. It's open on the front here. It has an opening on the front here. It's a see-through, and at the back as well, but the bottom is really covered up. And I would have preferred it like maybe a different color, considering I'm not this light, maybe like a black color. Anyway, it's just me, but otherwise it's still a beautiful dress. It's beautiful for dinner with friends, family. It's a nice kind of evening dress, but I will have to adjust this one as well, just to make it fit my size, like fit my body and stuff a little bit tighter, because I feel this loose. No, I would want it a little bit tighter, so I'll have to adjust this one. So those were all the items that I got from Shein, and my overall review would be that they are still good. Like, Shein is just a good site for affordable clothes, and their clothes are really good, which I can't complain. What I got is okay. At times you would get something from Shein and maybe it might be over, like it might be too big or maybe too small and stuff like that. But with the stuff that I got, I can't really complain with the sizing, even if some of them were a little bit too big or too small. But yeah, just two items were like too big, and other one was like a a little bit smaller with the sleeves. But anyway, I don't complain much about that. Overall, the site is okay, and the clothes are also okay. I love them, and I definitely will purchase more from there. Have you guys shopped from Shein before? What was experience? You can let us know down in the comment section below. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.